Hi children, good morning. How are you ma? Yes, I hope you are fine children. Okay, safety is the first. Please be in your home. Don't go outside unnecessarily. If you want to go outside na, take a face mask and use the sanitizer, right? Okay, and then take a healthy food and nutritious food. Okay, and please obey your parents and watch the videos properly and do the works properly, right? Shall we go to the class? Yes. This is the video for grade 3 Hindi 3L students, right children? Okay, do you remember what we learned up to the last class? Yes, from the first na vowels, then consonants we learned. After next the words, 2-letter words, 3-letter words, then 4-letter words also we finish. We learned. Then matra in. The next matra in. How many matras we learned? Yes, A ki matra, then E ki matra we learned. But today we want to learn E ki matra. Okay. Okay, ma. These are the vowels with their symbols. The symbols are called matraye. Okay. So, the symbols will add the consonants now. The consonant sounds will change. Depend the sound symbols. Okay. The symbols give the sounds the vowels. I sounds la தான் இந்த symbols வந்து இருக்கு. Okay. நம்ம இந்த symbols எல்லாம் we have to add this consonants na. The consonant sounds வந்து இந்த soundsல வரும். இந்த soundsல நம்ம ஒலிக்கணும், right? Okay. Now shall we recall the A ki matra then E ki matra after we go to the E ki matra, right? Okay. And now once again, do you remember the vowels? Yes. A, I, E, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Ah. Clear? Okay. These are the symbols of the vowels. So A has no matra, right? Then A, from A to we have the symbols. This is A ki matra symbol and this is E ki matra symbol. This is E ki matra symbol. U symbol. Ri. So these symbols are, we have to write them under the letter, right? Okay. This is A ki matra symbol. I, O, Au ki symbol. Then Aha, right? Okay. Now, shall we recall the A ki symbol with the consonants? First letter K. The A ki symbol add na. What is this word now? Ka. How to pronounce this? Ka. Then one more letter. What is this letter? Ta. Ta. Then A ki matra symbol. Now it is ta. Clear ma? Okay. One word. A ki matra word. Ka. What is this letter? La. Now the word is ka-la. Kala. Like this we have to read. Okay. Ka-la. Kala. Then what is this letter? Ma. La. Now it is ma-la. Mala. Like this we have to read the A ki matra, right? Okay. The next E ki matra. E. This is the symbol of E, no? So just we have to add the symbol for the consonant. Like this we have to add. How to add? So listen, the E ki symbol is here, no? Okay, we added. What is this now letter? Now this is ki. Okay, ki. The next letter K. Shall we add the symbol? What is this symbol? E ki symbol, no? So added. Now it is key. Clear? Okay. G. Now added the symbol. What is this now? G. Clear, ma? Okay, one more letter. Any other letter? F. Shall we add the symbol? Like this. So, how to read this? Fee. Fee. Clear, ma? Okay. La. Add the symbol. Added now. Now it is Lee. Clear? Okay. So, some words. Ki, ta, ba. Read this. What is this letter? Ki. Ta, ba. The last letter as usual. Without any matra, na, we have to give the dot pronunciation. That means மெய்யெழுத்தா pronunciation பண்ணணும். It's okay. Okay. Now bha na ib. Right? Okay. Ki ta bha. Kitab. Okay. What is this word? Ki ta bha. Kitab. Clear? Okay. One more word. What is this? Ghee. La. Sir. As usual, the last letter without matra. So, sa is ghee, la, sa. Gilas. How to pronounce this word? Ghee, la, sa. Gilas. Clear, ma? Ghee, la, sa. Gilas. It's okay? Right. Okay, clear now? The a ki matra, then e ki matra will finish. Okay, shall we go to the today's today we want to learn E ki matra. Shall we see? Okay. Now, E ki matra. This is the symbol of E, right? The symbol of E. Okay. That's all. Okay. So this is the symbol of E. We have to add this symbol for all the consonants. The symbol will add after add the symbol, this consonant sounds will change E sound. Okay. Now this is ka na. Now, shall we add this symbol now? What is that letter? Ki, like this. 1 minute. What is this symbol? E. Clear? Okay. E symbol. It will add the consonant now. Now this is ki. Ki. Gi. Gi. Ni. Clear now? Okay. Next letter. Chi. Chi. Ji. Ji. Ni. Ti. Ti. Di. Di. Ni. Ti. Ti. Di. Di. Ni. P, Fi, B, B, Me. E, Ri, Li, Vi. She, She, Si, He. Kshi, Tri, Ghi, Sri. Clear? Okay. Now, shall we add the symbol for the consonants? How to write? We learned the pronunciation now. Now we want to see how to write with the symbol of the consonant. Shall we see? Okay, the ka letter. The symbol we want to add like this. Okay. So this is ki. The symbol is ki. Now, Ghee. Ghee. Knee. Okay. The dot அப்படியே தான் வரணும். Okay ma. So key, key, ghee, ghee, knee. Right? Okay. The next letter. Chi, chi, ji, ji, ni. Right? P, P, D, D, ni. Right? Next letter. T, T, D, D, ni. P, F, B, B, me. E, re, li, we. Clear ma? Okay, two more lines now. The last. She, she, he. She, three, ye, Sri. Right? Clear? Okay, listen children. Ki, khi, ghi, ghi, ni. Chi, chi, ji, ji, ni. Ti, thi, di, di, ni. Ti, thi, di, di, ni. P, fi, bi, bhi, me. E, re, li, we. She, he. She, three, he, Sri. That's all. Very simple. Okay. So like this we have to add the symbol and write. Okay ma. Clear now? Some words. How to read the Eki Matra words. Shall we see? Listen children. This is the word. Listen. A, the. What is this symbol? Eki symbol. In which letter this added? Ma. So, me. What is this letter? Me. A, the, me. Admi. A, the, me. Admi. Clear? Okay. The next word. Ba. Eki matra symbol. Okay. So now B, sir. Bees. B, sir. Bees. Clear ma? The next Sa. This is Eki matra symbol no? Sa, D. Sari. Sa, D. Sari. Clear? The next Ba. Then Eki matra symbol. So beak, 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 beak. Clear? Okay. So like this we have to read the words. Okay. Some other words shall we see in the board? How to write that? Okay. Listen ma. Okay. Na plus Eki matra plus la plus Eki matra. Shall we make a word now? How to make? Just we have to remove this plus symbol and make a word. Join the letters and make a word. See, first knee. Okay. Then next lee. The word came. What is this? Knee, lee. Neely. Clear, ma? Okay. The next ma, the, ki matra, ja, then last E ki matra. So we have to add all the letters and with the symbols also. So ma, ta, ji. Shall we add now? Just remove the plus symbol. Ma, ta, ji. Mataji, mother. Mataji, Mataji. Clear, ma? Mataji, Mataji. Like this, we have to make a E letter words. Okay, one more. Okay, listen. The, plus E की मात्रा ती, थ, ली. Listen children. E की मात्रा also here. Then E की मात्रा also here. Okay. Shall we add these letters? First letter is T. So E की मात्रा T. Then th. What is this letter? Li. So, thi, th, li, tithali. Clear? Thi, th, li, tithali. Like this we have to make a E ki matra words. Like children. Okay. Now we want to see the book work. Okay ma? Take your book now. Okay children, shall we see the book work? Take this book. The grade 3 Hindi 3L book. Okay. The page number 27. Take it. What we want to do? E ki matra. Okay. E ki matra. The symbol of E. Right? Padhiye aur samjhiye. Read and understand. E k eek. Okay. As usual, the last letter without any symbols na. How to pronounce this? Yes. Mayalta pronunciation panano. So, E, K, eek. Na, ni, nani. Bees, bees. Tees, tees. Machali, machali. Ladki, ladki. आदमी आदमी पानी पानी माता जी माता जी जिलेबी जिलेबी कहानी कहानी नीली नीली. Okay. Eek, eek. Nani, nani. Bees, bees. Tees, tees. Machali, machali. Ladki, ladki. Aadmi, aadmi. Pani, pani. Mataji, Mataji. Jilebi, jilebi. Kahani, kahani. Neeli, neeli. Okay. Next. Ha plus A ki matra symbol plus ta plus E की मात्रा symbol. How to join this? Just we have to remove this plus symbols. See, ha, ti, hati. What is this picture? Elephant. So hati na elephant. Hati, elephant. Okay. The next ma plus cha plus la plus e की मात्रा symbol. So ma cha li, machali, fish. What is this? Fish. Machali, fish. The next ta, e की मात्रा ta plus la, then e की मात्रा thi, tha, li, tithali. Okay, tithali na butterfly. Clear ma? Okay, the next some words with e की मात्रा, and then the sentence is also here. Shall we see now? Na, ni, nani, ai, nani, ai, nani, ai. Okay. नीली साड़ी, नीली साड़ी पहनकर आई, नीली साड़ी पहनकर आई. नानी आई, नानी आई, नीली साड़ी पहनकर आई. नेक्स्ट पूड़ी बर्फी, जिलेबी लाई, पूड़ी बर्फी जिलेबी लाई. साथ में थोड़ा नमकीन लाई, साथ में थोड़ा नमकीन लाई, साथ में थोड़ा नमकीन लाई. नानी आई, नानी आई, ढेर सारी मिठाई लाई, ढेर सारी मिठाई लाई. मुझे कहानी सुनाने आई, मुझे कहानी सुनाने आई. मेरी प्यारी नानी आई, मेरी प्यारी नानी आई. So students, you have to try नानी आई, नानी आई, नीली साड़ी पहन कर आई, पूड़ी बर्फी जिलेबी लाई, साथ में थोड़ा नमकीन लाई. नानी आई, नानी आई, ढेर सारी मिठाई लाई. मुझे कहानी सुनाने आई, मेरी प्यारी नानी आई. Okay. The next पढ़ो और समझो. Read and understand. E plus ka, eek. So just we have to remove this plus symbol and make a word with the meanings. So eek, sugar can. Nani, grandmother. Bees, 20. Teas, 30. Eek, sugar can. Nani, grandmother. Bees, 20. Teas, 30. Next page. Hathi, elephant. Already know. Hathi, elephant. Machli, fish. Ladki, girl. Admi, man. Pani, water. Dahi, curd. Mataji, mother. Jalebi, jalebi like a sweet. Kahani, story. Neeli, blue. Sari, sari. Once again children, listen. Hathi, elephant. मछली fish, लड़की girl, आदमी man, पानी water, दही curd, माताजी mother, जिलेबी जिलेबी, कहानी story, नीली blue, साड़ी saree. Clear ma? From first, so E, this is the first. E, sugar cane, Nani, grandmother, B's 20, T's 30. Then this one from here. Okay, already know. Okay, the next. So listen, over the lesson, then the abhyas, exercises. So Kali Jagah Bariye, fill in the blanks. I filled, but you have the empty places, the boxes. So just you have to finish. Already we know the I taught no ki ghi ni. So just you have to fill this. Okay, yeah? Very good. The next shabd banavo, make words. So just we have to remove this plus symbols and make a word. Hati, hati. Spelling mistake. Hati, hati. Mataji, mataji. Dahi, dahi. Ladki, ladki. Pani, pani. Machali, machali. Clear ma? Just we have to remove this plus symbols and you have to write the words. Okay. This next one. चित्र पहनकर नाम पूरा करो. चित्रना pictures. Identify the pictures and complete the names of the words. So some letters are here. Some pictures are down. The names are here. So just we have to select the letters. Ha, Ti. What will come? Ti. So where is that? So just you have to write, take and write here. Hati, hati. Right? What is this picture? Mata. Okay. Mata ji. Where is ji? So just you have to take and write here. Mata ji. What is this picture? Eek. Then last. Eek. Eek. Clear? The next, चित्र देखकर सही शब्द के सामने टिक का निशान बनाओ. Tick mark on the name of the picture. So some pictures are here. So both answers are down. So just we have to tick the correct name of the picture. See what is this picture? Jilebi. Okay. Jilebi. So first letter G. So this is the correct. So you have to tick here. Right? The next. Butterfly. Okay. Titali butterfly. No. So this is the correct answer. Titali. Titali. Just you have to tick here. Right? The next. What is this number? 30. In Hindi, Tees 30. Where is that? Yes, Tees 30. Just you have to tick here. Understand? Jilebi, Titali, Tees. Okay. The next. Angrezi mein arth likhiye. Write the meanings in English. Listen children. So you have the meanings, full meanings here. So just you have to take and write the meanings. Admi, what is that answer? Man. Admi, man. Sadi, sari. Dahi, curd. Tees, 30. Kahani, story. Bees, 20. आदमी man, साड़ी saree, dahi curd, 30 30, कहानी story, 20 20. Right? Okay, the next last. शब्द बनाओ, make a new words. Listen children, 2 letters are here, some one letter, and li letter is here. So just we have to add this letter for this. Ma-cha-li, machali. Clear ma? Like this you have to write. Ni-li, neeli. Ti-ta-li, titali. Like this, right? Okay. That's all. That's all the book work. Listen children. Okay, we finished the book work ma. Just we want to write the class work now. Okay, take your class work. Finish the book work. Now the class work time. Take your class work ma. We have 4 Roman letters only. Okay, shall we write now? Okay, the first Roman letter is E ki matra. So we have to write the E ki matra, the symbol without the consonants, right? Okay. The symbol also want to write. Shall we add now? Okay. Ki, gi, ni, chi, ji, ni, pi, di, ni, ti, di, ni, pi, fi, bi, mi, yi, ri, li, bi. I have no place mark here, so I am writing there. But you have to write one by one the same page. Okay. This is the topic of this lesson, right? This is the Roman letter topic. Okay. So you have to write the same page. Okay, ma. The next, she, he, she, 3, ye, Sri, right? Clear? Okay. Ki, gi, ni. Chi, ji, ni. Ti, di, ni. Ti, di, ni. Pi, fi, bi, mi. Yi, ri, li, bi. She, si, he. Kshi, tri, gi, sri. Okay. Copy this one, ma. Copy it neatly. Okay. Shall I write the board? The second Roman letter is some E ki matra words we want to learn, no? The E ki matra words. The second Roman letter E की मात्रा words. Shall we write? हाथी, हाथी, माताजी, माताजी, लड़की, लड़की, साड़ी, साड़ी, कहानी, कहानी, आदमी, आदमी, मछली, मछली, सीढ़ी, सीढ़ी, जिलेबी, जिलेबी. The last नीली, right? Clear ma? हाथी, हाथी, माताजी, माताजी, लड़की, लड़की, साड़ी, साड़ी, कहानी, कहानी, आदमी, आदमी, मछली, मछली, जिलेबी, नीली, नीली. Once again, हाथी, माताजी, लड़की, साड़ी, कहानी, आदमी, मछली, साड़ी, सीढ़ी, जिलेबी, नीली. Right ma? This is साड़ी. This is सीढ़ी, सीढ़ी, ladder. Right ma? Okay. Copy this one, the 10 words, E की मात्रा words. Okay. The next Roman letter is meanings. Shall we write now? Shall I rub the board now? Some meanings also we want to learn, no? How to write the Iki Matra words, learned. How to read that, also learned. Now some meanings. Okay. Third Roman letter. Write the meanings in English. The first one. 10 only. Kahani, kahani. Story. Mataji, Mataji, mother. Neely, neely, blue. Dahi, curd. Pani, pani, water. Okay. 5 more. Kahani, kahani, story. Kahani, story. Kahani, story. Right? Mataji, Mataji, mother. Mataji, mother. Mataji, mother. Okay. Neely, neely, blue. Neely, blue. dahi, curd, dahi, curd. Pani, water, pani, water. Okay. Shall I write the next one? The sixth one. Machali, fish. Ladki, girl. Admi, man. Nani, grandmother. The 10th one. Titali, butterfly. Okay, listen. Machali, fish. Machali, fish. Ladki, girl. Ladki, girl. Admi, man. Nani, grandmother. Titali, butterfly. Right, ma? Okay. Copy this one. Once again. Kahani, story. Mataji, mother. Neeli, blue. Dahi, curd. Pani, water. Machali, fish. Ladki, girl. Admi, man. Nani, grandmother. Titali, butterfly. Clear, ma? Okay. Copy this one. Write neatly, ma. So, ஒரு ரோமன் லெட்டர் ஒரு பேஜுக்கு தான். ஒரே பேஜில் எல்லாமே எழுத வேண்டாம். ஒரு ரோமன் லெட்டர் ஒரு பேஜுக்கு எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? Okay, the next last Roman letter is only one Roman letter. That is split the words. Shall we split? Very simple, very interesting. Shall we split the words? The fourth Roman letter. Split the words. The first word. Ladki. Shall we split this? La. Da. How to split this? Ka. Then ki matra symbol. Like this we have to split. Okay. Okay. The second one. Kahani. Okay. The first letter is ka. Ha. Then what is here? Ki matra symbol plus na. Then plus ki matra symbol. So kahani. Okay. Like this you have to split. The next tease. Simple. Ta plus ki matra plus sa. Tease. Clear, ma? The next, the fourth word, dahi. This also very simple. Two letter word, no? The plus ha plus E ki matra symbol. Clear? Okay, the fifth one. Hathi. How to? Ha plus A ki matra symbol plus ta, then E ki matra symbol. Hathi. Clear ma? Okay, the sixth one. 8 words we have. Army. Me. Shall we split now? A plus dha plus ma. The last E ki matra symbol. Right? Clear? Okay. I have no place, so only I am writing there. Only 2. The seventh one. Sadi. Sadi. Okay. Sa plus A ki matra plus da, then E ki matra. Sadi. Clear? The last one. Eek. Very simple. E plus ka. That's all over. So clear? How to split the words? With that, the separately the matra symbols also want to split separately, right? Okay. Copy this one, ma. This is the last Roman letter. Copy it properly. Okay, children. What we learnt from this class? We learnt the E ki matra, right? How to write the E ki matra letters. Then how to write the E ki matra words. Then how to read that words and meanings and all. Then book work. And then last, the class work also we learnt. Okay. We will meet the next video for the next content. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you.